If I see one more tutorial telling beginners to build a weather app or a to-do list, I'm going to lose my mind.
Let's be honest. Those old projects are completely unmotivating and boring to build. And worse, nobody cares if you put them on your resume.
But building projects is the only way to actually learn how to code, but you need to build things you care about. Today I am giving you 3 unique projects that are actually fun to build, and project number 3 is complete game changer that will force you to understand complex logic. By the way, if you want me to do a full step-by-step guide on how to do any of the project, comment build with the project number. If we get enough of the comments, I am going to personally do a step-by-step guide of the project. Project number 1, Dynamic Motivation Engine. Throughout your coding journey, you will need a lot of motivation. So why not build a Quorts Generator for that? But wait, not a basic one. You are going to make the background dynamically change depending on the actual time of the day and day of the week. It may sound difficult, but it's easier than you think. You only need HTML, CSS, math.random with JavaScript, and some DOM event listeners. It forces you to interact with the system data and manipulate DOM based on that data. It's quick win, but it teaches you real state management. Okay guys, project number 2, the Pokemon Battle Simulator. And no, I am not talking about building a full game. I am just talking about building a battle simulator. Because honestly, simulating real Pokemon matches, calculating damage and type advantages is much better than watching a stupid pixelated snake eat its own tail. You will need to build 2 teams of 6 Pokemons using arrays and objects. You have to program the rules of the battle, type advantages, and damage formulas. You even have to animate the attack move sets. And do not delete it after you are done. Keep it because it's a great showcase for the employers to understand you know how the data interacts, not just how to center a div. Alright, the project number 3 is here. This will separate the true solo leveling fans from the normal developers. Here we are going to build a real life RPG quest system. And no, it's not a to-do app. It's a productivity engine built by you. You are going to build a leveling system with mathematical formulas for difficulty. You need to calculate experience points and penalties when you fail a real life task. You need a clean UI to track your quests and progress. And here is the hint. To store the details without using a backend database, you are going to use something in your browser known as the local storage. Coding can be hard, but with these projects, it shouldn't be boring. I genuinely want to see what you all built, so push your code to the GitHub and drop the repository link in the comments. I will personally visit every of the repositories and the best ones get shout out in the next video. Until then, have a happy skill development session and I will see you in the next video.